In this video, I will show you how to reset Discord password. Now there's two ways to do this. If you already know what your password is and you want to reset or change your passwords, then once you're logged into Discord, what you need to do is come down and click onto your user settings in the bottom left hand corner. And once you've done that, you want to be on to account info. So in this menu on the left hand side, and if you come down to the password and security section, you can see next to password, there is a link to edit. So you can give that a click and then enter your current password, followed by the password you want to change to, and then click done. Now, if for any reason you don't have your password or you've forgotten it and you want to reset it because you can't log in, then what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side from your settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and log out from your account, which of course you would already be logged out. But you're going to notice on the sign-in screen, underneath the password box, there is a link which says forgot your password. Give that a click. So what you need to do is enter the email for the password that you want to reset. And once you've done that, you can click onto the forgot your password link underneath the password box. Now, there might be a quick human verification check to do, so you just want to do that first. And what's going to happen, as you can see, a email is going to be sent with a login link. You can tap the link, which is going to sign in instantly with no password. So here we are in my email. You can see the link here. This is what the email is going to look like. So you just want to click the link here to reset your password. And then it's going to take you to this screen where you can enter your new password. Of course, once you've done that, click on to change password. And that's going to go ahead, log you back into your account. And of course, reset your password. So that is how to reset Discord password. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Discord and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.